France, a country that evokes elegance, revolution, and romance. But beyond the Eiffel Tower and the vineyards lies a nation built on curiosity, precision, and scientific brilliance. From the depths of the Alps to the edges of the atom, France has shaped the way we measure, think, and explore. In this video, we're not talking about baguettes or berets. We're diving into the extraordinary, the facts that reveal France's hidden power as a scientific and natural force. You'll discover volcanoes erupting in tropical islands, particle accelerators unlocking the secrets of the universe, and glaciers melting faster than ever before. You'll learn how France invented the metric system, pioneered genetics, and leads the world in nuclear fusion research. You'll see how biodiversity, medicine, and neuroscience are woven into the fabric of French innovation. Whether you're a science lover, a curious traveler, or someone who simply wants to understand the world better, this journey through France will surprise you, challenge you, and leave you inspired. Let's count down the 10 most mind-blowing facts about France, starting with number 10. France is home to the world's largest particle accelerator. Just outside Geneva, straddling the border between France and Switzerland, lies CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research. It hosts the Large Hadron Collider, a 27-kilometer underground ring that accelerates particles to near-light speeds. In 2012, this collider helped confirm the existence of the Higgs boson, a particle that gives mass to everything in the universe. France plays a critical role in this global scientific endeavor, contributing engineers, physicists, and cutting-edge technology. The collider isn't just a machine. It's a gateway to understanding the fundamental nature of reality. France has active volcanoes, but not in mainland Europe. Most people don't associate France with volcanic activity, but the country's overseas territories tell a different story. On Réunion Island, in the Indian Ocean, Piton de la Fournaise erupts frequently, making it one of the most active volcanoes on Earth. Its lava flows reshape the island's landscape and offer scientists a rare opportunity to study volcanic behavior in real time. Meanwhile, the Massif Central region in mainland France is dotted with ancient volcanic domes, remnants of a fiery geological past. France's volcanic legacy is both dramatic and scientifically invaluable. France pioneered modern genetics and microbiology. In the 19th century, French biologist Jean-Baptiste Lamarck proposed one of the earliest theories of evolution. Though later overshadowed by Darwin, Lamarck's ideas laid the groundwork for modern genetics. France's contributions didn't stop there. Louis Pasteur, one of the most influential scientists in history, founded the Institut Pasteur and revolutionized microbiology. He developed vaccines for rabies and anthrax, proved the germ theory of disease, and invented pasteurization. Today, French researchers continue to lead in genetic engineering, stem cell research, and personalized medicine. France's legacy in life sciences is both historic and ongoing. France invented the metric system. In the wake of the French Revolution, scientists sought a universal system of measurement based on logic and consistency. In 1795, France introduced the metric system, meters, liters, and grams, replacing the chaotic patchwork of regional units. This radical shift simplified trade, science, and communication across borders. Today, the metric system is used by nearly every country on Earth and remains the standard in scientific research. France's vision of equality and precision reshaped the way the world measures everything. France is building the world's largest nuclear fusion reactor. In the town of Cadarache in southern France, scientists are constructing ITER, the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor. Fusion is the process that powers the sun, and if harnessed on Earth, it could provide limitless, clean energy. ITER aims to recreate that process using superheated plasma and magnetic fields. It's a global collaboration involving 35 countries, and France is at the heart of it. Though still under construction, ITER represents one of humanity's most ambitious scientific projects. If successful, it could revolutionize energy and help combat climate change. France's glaciers are melting, fast in the French Alps, the Mer de Glace, or Sea of Ice, is the largest glacier in France, but it's shrinking rapidly due to climate change. Since the early 20th century, it has lost more than 2 kilometers in length and continues to retreat each year. Scientists use it as a living laboratory to study temperature shifts, ice flow, and carbon levels. The glacier's decline is a stark visual reminder of the planet's fragility and the urgency of environmental science. France's alpine regions are not just scenic. They're critical to climate research. France is a global leader in medical innovation. France's healthcare system is consistently ranked among the best in the world. But beyond hospitals, the country excels in medical research. Institutions like INSERM and CNRS drive breakthroughs in cancer treatment, virology, and rare diseases. French labs were among the first to isolate HIV and develop antiretroviral therapies. Pharmaceutical companies like Sanofi produce vaccines and medications used globally. France also leads in neuroscience, with pioneering studies on brain plasticity, consciousness, and mental health. In France, science isn't just about discovery. It's about saving lives. France's biodiversity is astonishingly rich. From alpine meadows to Mediterranean coastlines, France hosts over 100,000 species of plants and animals. The Camargue wetlands are home to flamingos and wild horses. The Pyrenees shelter bears and golden eagles. And in French Guiana, a tropical rainforest in South America, exotic biodiversity flourishes. France's national parks, marine reserves, and conservation programs protect these ecosystems with care and precision. Biodiversity in France isn't just beautiful. It's biologically vital. The country's commitment to preserving nature is as strong as its scientific ambition. France blends science and culture like no other nation. France's intellectual legacy spans centuries. René Descartes laid the foundations of modern philosophy and mathematics. Marie Curie, born in Poland but naturalized French, won 2 Nobel Prizes for her work in radioactivity. Voltaire, Pasteur, and countless others shaped how we think, heal, and explore. Today, France continues to invest in education, research, and innovation. Its museums, universities, and laboratories are world-class. Whether designing satellites, decoding DNA, or composing symphonies, France proves that creativity and curiosity go hand in hand. Science in France is not separate from culture. It's woven into its identity. France helped shape the modern, scientific worldview. From the Enlightenment to the present day, France has been at the forefront of scientific thought. The Age of Reason, born in Paris salons and universities, challenged superstition and promoted empirical inquiry. French thinkers championed logic, experimentation, and human rights, laying the groundwork for modern science and democracy. Today, France remains a beacon of intellectual rigor and innovation. Its contributions span physics, biology, chemistry, engineering, and beyond. France doesn't just participate in science, it defines it, and that's why it stands among the most influential scientific nations in history. France is more than wine and romance. It's a country of thinkers, builders, and explorers. A place where the Enlightenment sparked revolutions, not just political, but scientific. A place where curiosity is a virtue and discovery is a way of life. From particle physics to volcanic islands, from ancient theories to futuristic energy, France continues to push boundaries and redefine what's possible. These 10 facts are just the beginning. Behind every discovery is a story of passion, precision, and possibility. So next time you think of France, remember, it's not just beautiful, it's brilliant. Thanks for watching. And if you want more deep dives into the world's most fascinating countries, make sure to subscribe and stay curious.